Alright, basically I'm about to show you the installation of GTA 4 and show you what happens with me. Alright, let me get everything set up here. I gotta find the stuff. Open that up. Okay. Now, I bought the DVD, I mean not the DVD, I bought the game, and it doesn't work, but the game and the ISOs are the same thing, so instead of me actually putting disc 1 and disc 2 in, this is easier. Alright, so you go to the auto run, and it brings up with this. So you hit accept, and brings up the setup. Now this is what happens. Now it brings you right over here. And basically, hold on. Alright, yeah. And basically, it'll show you the modify, repair, or remove. Now, if you try to remove, you hit next and remove all features, it goes straight to here. And it says failed release SecuROM license. For some reason, it does that every time. And then it'll say, would you like to remove all Grand Theft Auto 4 save data? Yes, finish, blah. Then you go over here, and it actually is grayed out where it says install Grand Theft Auto 4 PC. It's like grayed out for some reason. I can't hit it. Nothing works. And then after a few, maybe like 30 seconds, it'll just revert back to accept. So it doesn't do anything. It won't get that far. Now, if you delete all the folder, all the files in the GTA folder and the programs file, and you get rid of it and you try to install it, and let's say if you uninstall RGSC and everything, it'll come up with, you know, hit accept, install it. It'll install Rockstar the Game Social Club, but that's as far as it'll get. It won't go back to the actual install part. For some reason, I have no idea why this is doing it, but like I said, see how this went back to accept. But yeah, so you just hit exit. So I figured maybe, you know, I could go over and actually just you know, just copy the files from the GTA folder itself instead of auto running it. Well, when you do that, it actually just you open it and it gives you this folder, the GTA. Well, this is the social club and this is GTA 4. So you take all this, you put it in the thing. Then you open up disk 2 and you put all the stuff that's the data 3 in the icon, you put that into here and you put that into the programs file. Well, you do that, and there's actually no GTA 4 application to actually open up the game itself on here for some reason. I have no idea why that happens, but it's not there. So I put all that there. I've come over here. I've gone to properties. I mean, setup. Okay, properties. I've gone to the compatibility mode. It's right now. It's running for Service Pack 2. It doesn't work. I've tried Vista. I've tried everything, and I've once was able to get everything in there with a crack and try it like that to get the stuff. It gives me an RM20, which means you need to install Windows SP3 or higher. So I changed it to Windows SP3, and that didn't work. It gave me an RM40. So then I tried it Vista, and then it gave me the same thing, RM40, and then if I tried it without it, it gives me a WS10 error. All those errors are basically, you know, saying you either need to upgrade to a higher level of thing, but I got Windows 7, so there's no reason for me to upgrade. There isn't anything to upgrade to, you know what I mean? And then I have gone into the, with the WS10, that's the XNet failed to start launch, which has something to do with Windows Live. Well, I've uninstalled Windows Live and I reinstalled Windows Live, and nothing seems to work. I mean, every single time. If you go to the Rockstar Game Launcher, it'll give you a fail to start application. If you just click GTA 4 or launch GTA 4, it'll always give me those stupid errors. No matter what I try to do, it will give me an error, and I have no idea why this is happening. I've tried everything. There was once when I was able to get a crack, and it actually worked. But the problem was that was before I actually had an ATI card in the thing, because right before I had a chipset, and I still do because it's chipset, but now that I have an ATI card on it, I wanted to be able to play it, because before I wasn't able to actually play the game because it was really shitty, seeing how it was a chipset and it was only 128 meg. Now that I have a gig, it would be nice to use it. Okay, but yeah, and I'm having problems with this. I have no idea why this is happening, but if you can help me, thanks a lot.